In today's video, we will guide you through how to track your orders on Temu. So let's get started. Firstly, open the Temu app on your mobile device and make sure you are logged into your account. Once logged in, simply tap on the U icon at the bottom of the app. You can see there is a new icon available. Now from there, look for the My Orders or Your Orders. Then tap on it to see a list of all your purchases. Then simply tap on the specific order you want to track. You can see I only have one order, so I tap on the track option available right next to my order. From here, tap on the view more option available right below the delivered, and here you can see all the shipping update available. So my order has already been delivered, so I can see my past shipping updates. But if you are in the present and you are tracking your order, then you can view it from here as well. So that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.